JFB 3-inch full bore exhaust installed on a 2016 Ford F150 EcoBoost. It's not too loud, very subtle sounding. As you can see, not loud at all, and you do get the turbo whistle. Hopefully this video helps for all you guys looking for the exhaust.